the spooky collaboration co-hosted by Jessica Marvel and Leslie Brumfield here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in description box below. Can you guess what this month's collaboration theme is? I'll give you a second, darlings. It's haunted houses. Anyway, so this is my project for this month. We got some ghosts with the most over here. We got another ghost in this corner because you know you gotta double team them. We got this big old arachnode on top. We got some bushes growing wild and just everywhere. We got more spiders because you gotta have a little bling, 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 bling. Got some spooky pumpkins. Now, we don't know if this house is actually haunted or do these people just go all out. I did take some things. This little box is from the Dollar Tree. I've had it for forever when it was actually $1, not $1.25. This is a toy of someone's precious little ant sacrifice so it could be a part of my little project. This is a flower that I painted black. I do have a process video that I would love to share with you. You'll see it coming soon. This is a little cheapo tea light. That's why it's really flickering, not because I did anything special to it. And this is some styrofoam pumpkins that I probably got from the Dollar Tree as well. This image right here, as you can see, does not look as spooky with the lights on, but I did get this image online, and that person's information will be in the description box if you're interested in using it. I did scale it down so it could fit into our house frame, but I really like how it came out. It has some bats and stuff, but I was like, nah, we don't need all of that because, you know, we got some other stuff going on. I really like it. What do you think? How do you feel about it? It's just creepy. All right, so let me know what you think about it in the description box. No, not the description box, the comment section. Until next time, happy crafting.